This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by aligning prerequisites so builds don't fail later. Install Xcode on a Mac for iOS and Android Studio for Android because each platform needs its SDKs. Add Node.js in your framework, React Native or Flutter, so code compiles consistently. Create Apple and Google developer accounts now. The stores require paid enrollment and identity verification. Once done, set up SSH keys and package signing key stores. This prevents deployment roadblocks and lets you focus on coding rather than credential headaches. You now create and configure projects so both platforms behave predictably. Initialize with the framework CLI, then set bundle ID and package names to match store entries. This avoids signing mismatches. Configure provisioning profiles, add the Android key store, and target appropriate SDK versions. Higher targets fix security and compatibility. Implement continuous integration so every push runs linting, tests, and artifact generation. This saves manual steps and surfaces platform-specific issues early. Make sure to test on simulators, and you finish by producing signed artifacts and publishing to each store so users can install your app. Increment version codes, export assigned. IPA for iOS and AN, OB for Android, then upload via transporter and play console while completing descriptions and screenshots. Once submitted, monitor console errors and review pre-release reports. If something breaks, revoke and recreate provisioning or key stores, rerun your CI pipeline, and install the build on a clean device. That single troubleshooting step often reveals signing or dependency issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.